Yo mga tol! Project Ikari Car Life and Times 2026. So, quick tutorial lang kung ano yung mga laman yan na bulbs ng mga taillights ng ating mga EK. Tara, palitan natin isa-isa. Let's go! So, yun no. So, tara, discuss natin kung ano yung mga bulbs na nandito sa loob ng taillight ng ating Civic. So, Civic 99 2000 to, no? So, tawag na iba, SIR body. So, let's go. Okay. So, dito sa outer, T20 dito sa signal light. Okay, T20. T20 din dito. So, dito, T20 7440 which means single contact. Dito, T20 7443 which means double contact kasi tail light, brake light. So, yan yun. Dito, sa ating reverse light, T20 7440 single contact na T20. So, yan. And then, merong nag-iisa dito sa garnish pa rin yung T10. Tail light lang ito. So, itong mga T20s, yung 7440 and 7443. So, yung mga 7440s o yung mga single contact na T20s, pwede nyo siyang gamitan ng 7443 which is the double contact. Pero dito, sa 7443 na T20, hindi nyo siya pwedeng gamitan ng 7440 kasi nga, kailangan double contact. Okay? Now, yung pagpapalit nito, very, very simple lang naman. Yan. Ito. Tatanggalin lang natin yung mga sockets na yan. Turn. O yun yan. Ilang gum. Turn, pull, tapos palit lang ng bulb. Ganun lang kasimple, no? So, tara. Mahan nyo ako, palitan natin. Let's go! Quickie lang to, yo! Hi, sir! Can you help me with changing the bulbs of the lights, our tail lights? Okay, let's do this. High five. Wait, turn, pull out. Okay, now gently pull the light out. No, the bulb. This one. Gently pull this out. Can you do it? Come on. Can you do it? Slowly. Slowly, you can do it. Don't be afraid. Okay, good job. Put it down here. Okay, now this light. Put it there. Let me see. Let me see. Wait, go. Come on, you push it a little bit more. Push it in a little bit more. In. No, push, push, don't pull. So all the way in. Okay. So try to put it back there. Come on.
Okay.
Hold it here. Oh. Hold it there, come on. Yeah. And then let it. Find the groove. Right? No, it's wrong. You have to flip it. Oh. Then turn to the right. Lock it. To the right. To the other way around. Come on. Go. Okay. Yay! Okay, let's do this one. Come on. Pull it. Okay. Pull the light. Slowly. Right. Okay. And then put this in. Can you do it? Will it be hard? Let's see. It's hard. You need help?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we're done with this, Vito. We're gonna move on with this one. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the signal light. Pull it. Come on. Okay, pull it out. No, wait. Okay, try. If you can do this. Try. Just put it in. It's okay. Come on. Just be gentle. Slowly.
Whoa, so hard.
It's so hard now. Give it a little push. Alright. Oh, try to put it in here. Come on. You find the groove. Good job. Twist it here. I think it's somewhere here. Wait.
This
I'll do
one,
it. Okay.
this one is
You can lock it now. There. High five. What did you say?
this one itself burned already. This side, this one that is make light.
No, it's not yet burned. But yes, you're right. That's the one that makes light. It's the filament. You're right. High five.
This one.
So yung mga tol, no, napalitan na natin with the help of Salvatore. Ayan. So bago na yan, LED, hindi na masyado makita. Everything's in there. So again, T20 7443, T20 7440, T20 7440, and T10. Okay? So gets. So yun lang naman yun. Just do the same thing all over again sa kabilang pair. So yun lang. I hope may natutunan. Maraming salamat. Let's go! Emblem cleaning prep. Tinatanggal natin yung lumang double-sided. So ito malinis na. Look, clean. Malinis na. Clean. So ito na lang. Last one. LXI. Save the LXI. Yeah. Haha. Let's go! Okay mga tol, so yan no, malinis na lahat, yan, malinis, we did the best we could para malinis sila.
long and tedious process na natin pinakita. So, it involved a lot of scraping dito, dyan, dito. Medyo tumigas na siya. Dito tayo natagalan ng husto sa LXI. But we really wanna save it. Ayoko rin bumili ng bago. Mahal yung mga emblems na orig. So, ito, yung last step of the process dito. Yan, maglalagay na tayo ng double-sided tape. So, yan, of course, 3M. Dito madali lang, lalagyan lang natin konti dito, dito, and dito dahil ito naman ang kapit dyan. Lalagyan lang natin siya ng konti dito para lang, yan, mga ganyan lang. So madali lang yan. Ito yung mga magiging challenging, yan, sa Civic tsaka sa LXI. Wala akong any kind of system to do this. So ito, sukat-sukatin ko lang ganyan dito. Measure cut lang ako. Ito papangkat ko. Hobby. Cutter. So, yun. Simulan natin. Hindi ko ito mapapakita. Kasi nga, tsatsambahan ko lang to. So, tara, let's go. Mamaya, yung finish product. Let's go. Okay, mga tol. So, yan. Yan na yung result ng ating maximum effort. So, yan. Kita nyo naman. So, fastest way na nakita ko gawin to is to measure that, and then after you measure, mark nyo dito. Ganon. Tsaka nyo i-cut. I hope meron kayong ganito. Yung Hobby Precision Cutter. So, malaking tulong to, no? Also, yung ating caliper. Yan. Ito yung mga malalaking tulong para bumilis yung trabaho. Took me about 30 minutes para gawin yan lahat. Not perfect, pero yun nga, maximum effort. Yan, yung pinagkata natin. So, yun. Tapos na tayo rito sa emblems. Ang home stretch natin ay yung ating grill, mesh grill, na kailangan nating lagyan ng coating, no? Yo mga tol, so last piece, no, sa ating side quest, ito ang ating mesh grill. So, nasa atin to kasi nilinis natin to, and yan, a-apply natin ng coating. Yan. So, yan, no? After nan, itong mga U-clips, kakabitan natin siya dito sa ilalim. Yan, dito. Yan. So, mukhang natanggal na kasi yung urig dyan, pero urig din naman to. Okay? So, tapos, yan, yung bolts. Papunta rin sa bumper. So, tingnan nyo to. Kita nyo ba? O, yan. So, ito, yung pang-coat natin, yan yung nabawas, nagamit natin sa ating wiper cowl, plus yung 4 na mudguard. So, yun yung nabawas. Na-coat naman lahat. Suggestion lang, pagka mag-a-apply kayo, make sure meron kayong gloves. Medyo mahapdi siya sa kamay. So, yan. Last piece ng ating side quest. Tara, gawin na natin. Let's go! Yan mga tol. So, okay, no? Ito yung atin. Tapos, ito yung kasama niyang applicator. Yan. Plastic labo lang yung gamit natin. Yan. Wala na pala kaming gloves. So, yan. So, again, yan. Ganun lang. Apply. Hanggang makover mo yung kailangan makover. And then, after that, kailangan natin siya mag-cure. And then, tapos na tayo sa ating mga side quests. Let's go! Okay, mga tol. So, ayan, no? Tapos na tayo, no? Na-coat na natin siya. Yan, harap-likod. Pati yung mga... Ito ko lang. Yan, pati yung mga singit-singit ng mesh. Yung mga hard-to-reach area, ginamitan lang natin ito. Pati dun sa mismong mesh. So, yan, tingnan nyo. Yan pa. Yan pa yung natira. Ano yan, generous yung amount na ina-apply natin. So again, cowl, 4 na mudguards, tsaka itong pinaka-mesh ng ating mesh grill. Yan, so coated lahat. Harap-likod, medyo basa pa. So hayaan lang natin ito mag-cure. Yan. Bago ko ilagay yung ating U-clips. Again, no, mag-gloves kayo. Medyo maano sa kamay. Mag-gloves kayo pagka maglalagay kayo nito. So, yan na siya. Yan. So, another side quest. Tapos na. U-clips na lang kulang nito. And pwede natin dalhin kila Boss Carl para ikabit din sa mismong fascia. So, yun. Yun na muna ngayon. Tapos na.
Side quest done. Peace.